Welcome to my channel Dream Big 2. This is my countdown vlog, day 14. Only 14 days until my run around the world. And yes, after my video became too long yesterday, I think I'm gonna really keep it short today because I also don't have much time. I can tell you to do this daily vlog has been a challenge, probably more so than running every day. But of course, I kind of anticipated it. It's just, yeah, it's quite of an effort time-wise, and also sometimes it's really like, what can you possibly show? Of course, there would be so many things behind the scenes, but I think oftentimes I'm just, yeah, so nervous about things that I put them off, and I cannot like really talk about those things in an organized way. You ask yourself how I want to do that. I don't know, but I think this is it. Sometimes we feel like we have a chaos in our head, and but then there is some order in within the chaos within our minds, and so I think I'm probably better organized in thoughts than I sometimes kind of believe. So this is also an interesting point about just doing big projects that are just too much to even fathom. So yeah, in this kind of overwhelming situation, let me tell you a little bit about what I think I still should do in 14 days. So first of all, interestingly, I do think I have a bit of a cold, and I haven't had one for a long time. So it's always, and I don't easily get sick, and of course I'm thinking about what happens when I get sick, what different things, also when I have an injury, so how I'm gonna kind of buffer it and get well as fast as possible. But then again, I think it's just like being easy about it and not really being tense. I mean, that just doesn't help in no way whatsoever. So I think it's kind of good that I have a little bit of a throat thing going on right now, and hopefully that will all be gone in 14 days, and then I will be off and ready. Yeah, because I really haven't been sick for a long time. I never had to call in sick at work. Yeah, so I'm so far a really lucky person to just be quite healthy. Um, so yeah, there is so many things I still have to do. But today I really wanted to make sure I get the message out to all my contacts. And funnily enough, I realized if you go through all your contacts and send them a message on WhatsApp, I was blocked several times, and then they had to review my account so that I would not send spam to the people I know, which makes sense, I guess. But yeah, it kind of slowed me down a little bit. But yeah, now I really have the message out to all my wonderful people out there, and so yeah, there will be so many more on the way, so that's good. So what I still need to do is I have ordered a couple things, for tracking. I might do a video once to explain how I'm going to do the live tracking. And yeah, I actually have a new computer that I haven't just set up now. I really need to do that, so I'm going to be familiar with it. But yeah, this one I have is too heavy, and I think there's just certain things not working quite as well anymore. So I'm glad I'm gonna go with a smaller, lighter computer. And yeah, it's nothing really special, but definitely good enough for me. Um, yeah, and I'm still trying to figure out the whole filming. I'd like to show you at someday my tent, how I set up my tent and take it down. So I first wanted to do that today, but I'm too tired now, and yeah, just wanted to let you know, honestly, again, this is a day where I just feel like I don't have the time to even, like, come up with a good idea of what I want to say. I'm just now gonna use this day 14 as an outlet to tell you I'm doing all right. I do have a bit of a something going on in my upper lungs and throat, but other than that, I feel good. I went for a run. It's ice cold out there, and yeah, I'm just feeling actually quite well about a lot of things, except there's every now and then these seconds or minutes there's like and yeah, it kind of is a bit uncomfortable, but yeah, this is why I'm doing it, because I just want to figure out of like how to best manage these feelings. So this is it for today. Really a vlog with not much content, but I'm glad I'm able just to connect with you, and that's all there is, and what's needed for the moment. So yeah, I hope you're gonna stick around, and especially join the journey with me once I'm on my journey running. December 20th, Friday, it will be in 14 days. So yeah, thank you very much for taking the time. If you're interested, check out some of my other videos. They might have some more content in it. Yeah, just take care of yourself. Dream big too, my friends. Dream big too. And if all goes well, I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.